Good day everyone and welcome back to HNA Around the Map. Today we are taking you to Paris. Not that Paris. This Paris. Paris, Ontario, where we discovered one of our favorite kayaking spots on the Grand River. The area is called Brant Conservation Area, and the company we go with is Grand River Rafting. Here's their 2026 price list. Our go-to is always the 13 kilometers route. It's the longest one, which means more time on the water to paddle, float and relax. The conservation area itself is huge. They've got campgrounds, a swimming area, and lots of other activities. Here's the dedicated parking lot for kayakers. Before you start, there is a quick orientation with a hilarious and super knowledgeable instructor who explains everything about the path. This board shows the wildlife you might spot during your trip, plus the map of the route.
The Grand has 93 different types of fish, the largest variety of fish in all of Canada. With that, we have bald eagles, osprey, otter, beaver. But the good news is, you guys can all go swimming today, and you will not glow in the dark when you get home tonight. That's our bragging rights. I'm actually a professional forester. To tell you that happened in Southern Ontario really is a gift in our own backyard. All the way around the edge of the forest, in this area here, there's 4 freshwater springs. So you guys can all dump out the fake stuff. You can fill up with ice cold spring water today. It is absolutely delicious. We are not going to drink the Grand, because if we do, we will spend the rest of our lives on the toilet. So keep that in mind as well, okay? And if you see someone standing in my clean river up to their waist with a smile on their face, stay away from that spot too, okay?
And then a bus took us to the starting point. And here we go. It's a little bumpy with some small rapids at the beginning, but once you pass under the bridge, everything calms down. It's such a relaxing experience, floating down the Grand River surrounded by lush trees on both sides. Here is one of the natural springs the instructor mentioned earlier. Along the way, you'll find sections with a stronger current where you hardly need to paddle, and some calm stretches that feel like gliding across a swimming pool. There are even little islands where you can stop to stretch your legs. And also there are some picnic spots where you can have your lunch.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Eventually, you'll reach the end of the route where you drop off your kayak. On the way back, don't miss the chance to explore Paris, Ontario itself. A charming little town with 19th century cobblestone buildings. Let's take a quick tour of this lovely town together. While Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in Brantford in 1874, the first long-distance transmission was actually made between Brantford and Paris, right on this spot. And here's the very river we just kayaked on. And that wraps up today's journey. Thank you for joining us, and remember, wherever the map takes us, we'll take you along.